Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best ukulele strings is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of ukulele playing, yet it significantly impacts your instrument's sound, playability, and overall enjoyment. Choosing the right strings can transform your ukulele from a basic instrument into a vibrant source of musical expression. In this video, we'll explore the different types of ukulele strings available, helping you find the perfect set to match your playing style and musical preferences. Number 5. Martin M600 Ukulele Strings. These strings allow you to tune to pitch with ease. It minimizes string elongation, so you can start playing right away. The strings offer a rich and amplified tone. It will make your ukulele sound amazing. Each purchase includes one complete set of strings. You'll have everything you need to get started. These are fantastic quality strings. They are designed to enhance your playing experience. Get ready to experience the difference with these strings. They are a great choice for any ukulele player. What we like. These strings allow you to tune to pitch while minimizing string elongation. They offer a rich, amplified tone that brings out the best in your ukulele. If you're looking for strings that deliver both quality and a superior sound, you should consider these. What people say. The strings are easy to install. The sound quality is great. They hold their tune well. Number 4. CHENGU Ukulele Strings and Felt Picks Kit. These strings are designed for soprano, concert, and tenor ukuleles. You can easily remove extra strings if you have a smaller ukulele. It's a versatile choice for different ukulele sizes. Each string is labeled with a number for easy identification during installation. The durable nylon material makes it easier to practice. You'll be playing in no time. The kit includes 5 sets of white ukulele strings, with each set containing 4 strings. It also comes with 10 felt ukulele picks in various colors. This provides everything you need to get started. The dimensions of the strings are as follows. First A is 0.024 by 25.7 inches, second E is 0.032 by 27.8 inches, third C is 0.034 by 27.8 inches, and fourth G is 0.028 by 25.7 inches. These sizes ensure a proper fit and sound for your ukulele. The soft felt material of the picks prevents scratches on your ukulele. They provide a gentle and pleasant sound, enhancing the clarity of your strumming. They are stiff enough for solid strumming. What we like. This set is designed to fit soprano, concert, and tenor ukuleles, making it a versatile choice. The strings are easy to install, and the included picks are a nice bonus. If you're a beginner or someone who appreciates convenience and value, you should consider these. What people say. The strings are easy to install. The sound quality is very good. The strings feel good to the touch. Number 3. Aquila Red Series AQ88 Tenor Ukulele Strings. These strings provide a comfortable feel. You'll notice a significant increase in volume compared to standard strings. It makes playing more enjoyable. The improved composite material ensures clarity and responsiveness. This allows the ukulele to produce a brighter and more vibrant sound across the fretboard. The proprietary composite material absorbs less moisture. This helps keep your ukulele in tune for a longer period of time, so you can play without constant adjustments. The strings have a consistent diameter with varied density. This design enhances intonation, making it easier to play chords and melodies accurately. These strings are designed specifically for tenor ukuleles. They are sold as a set of 4 strings, perfect for getting the low G tuning. What we like. These strings offer enhanced volume and a brighter tone, improving your ukulele's sound. The proprietary composite material ensures it stays in tune longer. If you like a fuller sound and want to spend less time tuning, you should consider these. What people say. The strings are easy to install. The sound quality is great. The strings stay in tune. Number 2. GHS Strings 10 Set Hawaiian Ukulele Strings. These are GHS strings, Model 10. They are designed specifically for Hawaiian detuning ukuleles. You'll love the bright tone they produce. These strings are made of clear nylon. This material ensures a long-lasting, bright tone. It's a great choice for your ukulele. These strings are designed for standard ukuleles. They are easy to install and will provide you with a great playing experience. You'll be strumming in no time. The strings offer a long-lasting bright tone. This means you can enjoy your music for longer. They will keep your ukulele sounding great. These strings are specifically designed for Hawaiian detuning. The gauges are 022-028-032-022. This tuning will give you a unique sound. What we like. These strings are designed for Hawaiian detuning, offering a unique sound. They provide a long-lasting bright tone that will make your ukulele sing. If you're looking to explore different tunings and want a clear, bright sound, you should consider these. What people say. I love the depth, richness, mellowness, and sustain of this configuration with a wound G and a wound C. These strings are warm and very loud, which is exactly what I was looking for. The G, E, and a string are nice, the metal wound C string is even nicer. Number 1. Ernie Ball P02329 Ukulele Strings. Introducing the Ernie Ball P02329 Ukulele Strings. These strings are designed for your ukulele, providing a bright and balanced tone. They are made from traditional clear nylon monofilament. This material helps to project the sound beautifully, making it ideal for any performance. These strings offer a bright, balanced tone. This means the sound is clear and well-rounded, perfect for both practice and performance. The ball ends make installation quick and easy. You can replace your strings in no time, allowing you to get back to playing. These strings are suitable for concert or soprano ukuleles. Whether you have a smaller or larger ukulele, they will fit perfectly. The gauges are .028, .032, .040, and .028. These sizes ensure the strings provide the best possible sound and playability. What we like. These strings provide a bright, balanced tone with excellent projection. The ball ends make installation quick and easy. If you like a classic sound and want a hassle-free setup, you should consider them. What people say. I put this set of low G and black nylon strings on my solid spruce top uke to mellow it out a bit, and now it is perfect. With the previous fluorocarbon strings it was just too snappy sounding. The Ernie Ball black nylons give it outstanding sound with good projection, clear ringing with each note, and the black color is a sweet look to boot. Nice loud, warm sound. Easy to install with ball ends. No excessive stretching. Tuned right up. Nice feel under the fingers while playing. Immediately they look and feel much higher quality than the Aquila. The sound is medium loudness and very smooth, play is buttery, they broken fast and look great. I like the look of the gold wound 4th string with the other standard clear strings on my uke. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.